Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this beautiful wine glass. It's actually plastic and it's a reindeer which is holding the glass, and also it's standing on a nice snowflake. So I thought I should give him a warm scarf, and I just cut this one of this thick felt, and it is looking like a fur scarf. And then I'm just passing through the gap and creating a nice warm scarf for the reindeer. I just measured the length and I'm just cutting where I want to, and using a dab of a hot glue I'm sticking it together just like so. Isn't he warm and cozy? Now I'm going to take some of this white foam snowflake stickers, and I'm just sticking a few of them around the wine glass just like that. And I also got some window clings which are like kind of a transparent, you can't really see, and I'm just stuffing some of this felt in there, and also stuffing some nail polishes in there, some green, silver and white. And I'm just going to pack this as a gift bag. Now all this needs is some of this plastic cover and one of this ribbon, and I have this winter themed ribbon which has got nice snowflake effect to it, and I'm attaching one of the pom-pom. And the next one is this beautiful white candle, and I got this from the candle section of Dollar Tree, and I'm taking this burlap looking beige or brown color ribbon, and I'm attaching it around the neck of the candle jar. And I also wanted to give some more shiny effect to it, so I just got one of this sheer white ribbon, and it has got like snowflake effect to it. So I'm just bending it in half and then attaching it on top of this burlap ribbon. And I'm also going to take some of this Christmas greenery which has got some shiny snow covered on top of it, and I'm also going to attach some of this white berries just to give like a winter candle look here. So what do you think? I'm just loving it. This video is part of Unusual Christmas Gift Ideas Open Playlist, and this is hosted by Jackie over Crafting in Mimi's World, Amanda over 6 Kids and Glue Gun, and Tami over Happiness Created, and the guest host is Mama Can Make It. And I'm going to leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. And on to DIY number 2. For this one, I'm going to create a gift box kind of a look for one of the picture frame. One of my friend liked it, so I'm going to give it to her. I measured the shape of the picture frame, and I'm just cutting how much the length and the width that I want from this gift bag. Now I'm going to cover this picture frame, and I'm making sure that the ribbon and also the leaves and the tag should be shown in an angle. So I'm using a dab of a hot glue, I'm attaching that, and I'm just giving like nice gift wrap packing. that's it. It looks so nice and neat. So what do you think? On to DIY number 3. For this, I'm using one of this beautiful home box from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stuff some of this chocolates that I also got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stuff some plastic bags to get some height, and on top of it I'm just going to put some of the white felt fabric. So, and I'm going to arrange my chocolates on top of this. And I'm going to attach the lid in an angle, so it just gives like a look of a treasure chest. So that's the look I'm going here. So what do you think? I'm just loving it. These are some of my unusual gift ideas, and I'll start with this. Reindeer wine glass, and it's standing on a snowflake, and it's looking like it's made of glass. So it's like a winter reindeer for me. So I just created a warm scarf for him. It would be also a decorative piece on itself, and I just stuffed some of the this foam pieces and a couple of nail polishes, and I just stuck snowflakes all around him just to give like he's coming from winter wonderland. And I just covered it with one of this clear plastic, and also gave like a bow which is also looking like coming from a snowland or something like that. It's having like a tiny dots of white pieces everywhere, so it gives like a snow effect for me, and also one of the pom-pom to give like a snowball effect. So this is one of the cute unusual gift idea that I think I'm very happy with. So this is one of it, and this is another winter wonderland candle jar, and this candle jar is from Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? It looks like high quality candle jars that you get from expensive stores. And this one I just decorated with one of this beige color burlap looking ribbon, and I just gave like one of the shiny sheer ribbon which has like a snow kind of an effect to me. So I just doubled that ribbon, and then I circulated it around the jar, and then with some of the Christmas greenery and some white berries. And this is one of the candle jar also going as a gift. And the next one is this one of the picture frame. One of my friend liked it, so I just got this gift bag which looks like a gift wrapping kind of a look. The gift bag already has this gift wrapping paper kind of a look, so all I have to do is wrap it just like a gift box. So it already has this decoration, and then this looks so cute and beautiful. I'm so proud of this one as well. Let me know your thoughts on this too. And this is one of the cute house container. It's got like all Christmas themed design all around it, and I chose this side because it has like a home with decorations and joy sign and Merry Christmas sign everywhere. So I just attached the lid just like it's opening up and giving like a treasure chest kind of a look there. After with some of this good quality chocolates from Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? That's Godiva, and that's Lindor. So I just matched and just stuffed it. Start with this clear plastic thing for all of these gifts. So I cannot show the details, so that's why I just showed you like this. But I'm going to wrap it up and tie a nice ribbon on top of it before it goes. And these are the few beautiful Christmas themed, unusual according to me, kind of a gift. So let me know your thoughts, which one is your favorite, and would you like to give any suggestions? I would appreciate that. I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, I would be more than happy if you consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.